Statue 175 here with a new review for you of a piece that I like a lot. We'll get into that in just a second. I just got back from a trip with my good friend Matt. You guys know him as Make Mine Marvel. We took our daughters and our wives to Sesame Street Park down in Pennsylvania. And while we were down there, we came across this store. Really nice guy owns it. His name's obviously Wade. It's called Wade's Comic Madness, and you can see his address there, and his email, and his phone number, and his another email address there at the bottom for the store itself. On the back we have the hours. He's a huge Captain America fan. He said his hours might have changed, so what was really cool is they were open till 10 p.m. Every night we were there. We were there from Wednesday through Saturday. So we went there a few nights because he had a lot of sideshow pieces and a lot of Kotobukiya and Gentle Giant, Hot Toys, and all different kinds of statues. So definitely, if you're in the area, check him out. His store's great. He's a really nice guy, and he's definitely, fair price, willing to negotiate his prices and stuff like that too. So check it out. All right, guys, on to the review here. What I did pick up, it's number 1996 out of 3300. It is upside down there, but you can see it's Kotobukiya, and I don't know if you can see who it is, but maybe now you can. It's from one of my favorite sculptors, Erick Sosa, and it wraps up the Trinity because I do already have Erick's Kotobukiya Fine Art Statue of Spider-Man and Venom, and now we have Carnage to finish off the Trinity. The box is pretty plain. The back of the box basically just says Marvel Comics presents Kotobukiya Collection Carnage Fine Art Statue, and then of course at the bottom, you have all your typical Kotobukiya logos and all the writing in Japanese and the Marvel logo. We saw the serial number already, 1996 out of a total of 3,300 made. Let's get to this piece. It's really nice. Here we have it, Carnage, and all his, I think it's 1/6 scale glory, and it looks very nice. What I love the tendrils. I love Erick Sosa's sculpts. He always does a great sculpt of the character, and it just looks really cool. Cool interpretation of Carnage. For those of you that are not familiar with him, he's a villain from the Spider-Man universe. As you can see there, this is a shattered, crumbled rubble of the Daily Bugle, where Peter Parker, Spider-Man, works. So he goes in 2 pegs. There's a peg in this foot and a peg in that foot that goes onto the base. And another cool feature was that Carnage does have these tendrils, and the character has the ability to make like any kind of razor or whatever out of his arms and stuff, and just shoot out and slice you up with it, like kind of like the Terminator from Terminator 2. So there is a switch out feature with this guy. It's a magnet, and you can carefully put this down. You can switch it to, like I said, the kind of like scythe or sickle that he made with his tendrils. I gotta be careful while I'm videoing this. Hopefully the magnet will do its job and just suck it up, which it did. It's a nice strong magnet. There were a few tendrils. This one right here on the leg, this little one, then the one on the back here, another one on the back here, and another one on the back here. So all in all, it was a total of 4 tendrils and 2 switch out arms via magnet. The tendrils just go in via peg, but he just looks awesome. And of course, you can see my Spider-Man display in the background. We see the you know, the Sideshow. There's the Sideshow Carnage, which is much bigger. It's a quarter scale version of Carnage. You can see him in there next to the Punisher. And then, of course, we have Venom, quarter scale Sideshow Venom comic cat. That might be one. No, it's definitely quarter scale. And then you have the Sideshow comic cat of Spider-Man. Then I got the Spider-Man vs. Venom Sideshow diorama. A Bowen Spider-Man vs. Venom diorama that my wife got for me that started the whole collecting thing a long time ago. And then, of course, the Spider-Man, the old original Spider-Man premium format with the spandex outfit on him and everything and the material. And there's a spot there. I'll probably put Carnage there for now next to Spidey. And then eventually, you know, maybe I'll put the new Spider-Man premium format there. But back to the review here. I just wanted to show you the Sideshow Carnage as well as this Carnage. But this Carnage, actually, the pose is a little more badass. He's a little more aggressive and coming at you. That's probably how I'm going to display him. I like it a lot. And, let me just give you a quick little... Bear with me 1 second. I'll give you a quick little shot of the actual Venom and Spider-Man that go with this guy. Here you see behind the Deadpool's kind of running out of space here. But there's the Spider-Man that Erick Sosa did. And there's the Venom. And I'm probably going to find a home for these Deadpools and put the Carnage there so the three of them are displayed, you know, all with each other. But anyway, back to the Carnage statue that I was showing you. Here he is. Very happy with this piece. Glad to have picked it up. These Kotobukiyas go up in value, you know, pretty quick too. So I know that Spider-Man that I just showed you, that's going for quite a bit, and I think the original retail was like $180 or something like that. Now they're selling for like upwards of $800, $900. They just go up in value. And there you go. There's Carnage. So hope you guys like them. And you can always, if you're in the Pennsylvania area, check out where I got them from, Wade's Comic Madness. Give Wade a call. He's got a lot of good stuff from Sideshow and Kotobukiya and everyone. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good night.